What's up, guys? Okay, so I know I'm not the only person that makes this stupid mess every single time. Just look at the amount of ginger I've wasted, all in the name of peeling it. Like, I'm even so ashamed. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this. Every time I'm peeling ginger, it almost feels like I'm throwing them away. So I sometimes opt for the already grinded one, the one they sell in ShopRite and all of that, like this one. But I like to use fresh ginger. I like to use fresh recipes and stuff. So I decided to buy some ginger. And guys, out of all these things, just look at the only small thing I could save. Like, I'm so ashamed. I am so ashamed. But look, life is hard. When life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. Okay? When I say I'm going to make lemonade, it just means that I'm going to make a paste out of this, such that every time I want to cook, I don't have to stress myself about how to start peeling the ginger or start dicing it or whatnot. I have very little amount of garlic. I hate garlic so much, but sometimes it's good in some of your recipes. So that's why I have this little amount of it. So if you're interested, let's just get into it right away. So I already chopped my ginger into smaller bits, and my garlic is still the same way. The reason I chop this is because I want it to be easy for my blender, because if it's too big, it will be really difficult to blend. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this into this blender. By the way, my hands are washed, if you are wondering. You also want to add some vegetable oil to it, depending on the size of your ginger. So this would be in place of water. You don't need water for this. So you're just going to add the vegetable oil, and then you cover it and blend. Now that it's almost finely blended, all I'm going to do, I'm going to throw in some salt, just a little bit. And then blend. As you can see, this is all the paste we could make. So what we're going to be doing next is to transfer it into a bottle. I have this cute little bottle in my kitchen, so I'm just going to transfer all of this paste in here. Now that we've transferred all of our paste into this bottle, you're just going to clean the surface and make sure that your bottle is clean before you cover. So I'm just going to clean this up with the tissue paper. Our bottle is properly clean, so I'm just going to cover this up and save it in the fridge. So now every time I want to cook, all I have to do is go to my fridge, pick this up, take the portion I want, and return it back to the fridge. You can do this saves you a lot of stress. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more kitchen hacks from me, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.